Now, our home estimate feature offers a way for you to generate warm leads through your direct mail. Now, when you choose a design with this option, the postcard is going to feature a map with the recipient's home pinpointed in the middle. All of the recent sales around their home will be noted as little orange sold signs. This is called variable data printing. Each recipient is going to receive a unique postcard with a unique map on it, and of course, a compelling call to action to view their home's value estimate. A unique QR code or even a key code will allow them to snap and view those details or enter that key code in to view those details directly on our home estimate website. That site is called realestatehomeprice.com. Once someone enters that key code or scans that QR code with their smartphone camera, you, as the agent or broker, are going to receive an email alert telling you who visited the site. We also track all the responses to your Corefact account and rank the most active visitors for you.